In a unique and attention-grabbing protest, cow protection activists in Balasore's Nilgiri took to the streets in a traditional and symbolic way. At the Nilgiri Tehsil office premises, protesters arrived with bulls, played traditional musical instruments, and performed devotional sankirtan while dancing, turning their protest into a cultural spectacle. The demonstration was part of the Go Samman Ahvan Abhiyan, a campaign demanding respect and stronger protection for cows. The procession began near the Jagannath temple in Nilgiri and made its way to the Tehsil office, drawing the attention of locals along the route. At the end of the march, activists submitted a memorandum to the Tehsildar addressed to the President of India, Prime Minister, Governor and Chief Minister. Through this distinctive protest, they called for stricter cow protection laws and a complete ban on cow slaughter. Blending devotion with activism, the demonstration stood out as a powerful and peaceful way to voice their demands.
मैं जगन्नाथ मंदिर गौ सम्मान अभियान पत्र नहीं आसिलु तहसीलदार पाखे देलु आमर यही बाटे आम राष्ट्रपति प्रधानमंत्री राज्यपाल मुख्यमंत्री हस्ताक्षर जीव दस्खत अच्छी आमर गो सम्मान आह्वान अभियान ये लिखाई आमर दरकार गौ सुरक्षा जे कतलखाना को जाऊँगी बंद हवा दरकार।